and gentlemen, are you ready? Yeah! Today, I will be showing you guys what type of activities to do in Benidorm. If it's your birthday or celebration or one of your summer holidays. Today is my birthday and I'm going to show you what I'll be doing. Let's go.
This is the best thing to do in Benidorm. Check it.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Two, Stafa is live! Woo! It's my birthday and I'm in for a birthday surprise. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but I think it's a bit obvious. I've got my jacket. The guy said when I land, so clearly I'm probably parasailing or something like that. I have no clue, but we're gonna find out. So let's have a look. So yeah, I mean, he said to go right at the front. Oh, come on, it's a bit obvious now. We're not doing this. We're not doing a jet ski. We're not going on this little thing. Oh yeah, this is... Okay, it's a bit obvious now, yep. We're parasailing. I knew it. Oh boy, am I ready? Of course I am. I've always been ready. Hola, amigo.
Hola.
Ah, there you go. Oh, that's just... Oh. Okay, sorry. Hola.
Andiamo. ¿Qué quieres de cumpleañero? Él. ¿Eh? Siempre me lo dices tarde, ¿eh?
Es mi cumpleaños. Oh no, I'll hold this, I'll record. No, thank you. Alright, it's my turn, let's go. Oh, look at this. Okay, let's sit down. No problem.
Agarramos ahí. Vale.
Okay, you ready?
Just my position.
Oh, I'm on my knees.
Okay, every time sit down, not stand
Sit down.
up. Yeah.
Perfect.
And hold.
Okay, so sit down or stand up. First time doing this. Am I ready? Let's go.
Let's go.
I'm the heavy one. What? Oh my days. What is this? Oh, look at that.
Hey, está guay, eh?
Oh, yes. Oh my, look at that. All I can say is come parasailing if you want to get a better view of Benidorm. So my friend, what type of activity is good to do in Benidorm?
Okay. You can go to the island.
Oh, the island?
Yeah. For diving. You can ride a quad for the mountains.
Okay.
The biggest mountain in Benidorm is, I don't know how I say in English, but 1,800 meters.
Oh,
So it's very tall.
Is it what's covering the clouds? That one there?
Yeah, that one.
Okay.
And you can also go to the square. If you don't know what is the square, is one area in Benidorm,
Yeah.
and that area have most famous pubs, British pubs
Okay.
in Benidorm. So you can go to the Red Lion, Broadway, Beachcomber, and you can have party.
We're getting higher. Hey, we're getting higher.
Muy alto, eh?
Yeah, muy alto. It's really high. We're getting high. I love it. I love it. Más alto, more higher.
Jump.
More. Let's jump. He's a local. He's
Hello.
been here for a while.
Yeah.
First time doing the parasailing.
Yeah.
How do you find it? You feeling okay? You nervous?
And no,
No?
not really.
He's a daredevil. He likes adrenaline. Just like me. He was saying, yeah, they should let us go so we can drop down here. I said, let's do it. But safety's first. Benidorm is an iconic place for a lot of British people. So you will see a lot of British people here. But I mean, I can understand why a lot of them come here. It is nice. It is beautiful. Obviously, they say it's cheap, but you get quality food here. Beautiful service. I mean, when you have a look around, you'll love this place. Second of all, I mean, people say this is the New York of Benidorm because of all the tall buildings. Do you agree? Sit down. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
In the front, go.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, now go.
Yep.
Down in the front.
Happy landing. Whew. Perfect. That was fun. That was good. Really, really good. Really fun. Is it your first time?
For me, yes.
Oh, is it? How do you find it?
Really nice.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, like my first time, it was, I think it was lower, not that high up.
Okay, so this one's high up.
Yeah, this one was higher.
Was you nervous?
Sorry?
Was you nervous?
No, I
No.
loved it. I loved it.
Oh, good. Yeah. Where are you guys from?
Romania.
Oh, Romania?
Yeah.
Okay. Cefaj?
Yes.
Cefaj, yes. Perfect.
Bine.
Bine, okay. What kind of food did you have here?
A lot of seafood.
Love seafood?
Yes.
Oh,
A lot of vermouth.
love what?
Vermouth.
What's a vermouth?
Oh my god. Didn't you drink? Oh, you have to try. Oh my god.
Yeah, I want to try it now. ¿Sabes qué es vermouth?
Vermouth, sí. Vino dulce parecido a algo.
Vino dulce.
Algo así.
Okay.
Rojo. Vermouth rojo.
Hay rojo, blanco.
Okay.
rosado.
Pero rojo.
Okay, so red one's better.
Gracias.
Another.
Okay, Taffy, did you enjoy?
It was really fun. So to get to this place, you gotta come to this port. Let's memorize it because I don't know the exact name of this place. And you gotta see my friend right here. He will help you out. Yes. So you see the sign here? What's the name of this place?
Porto Benidorm.
Porto Berrio. That's what it's called. Porto Berrio. Okay. There's two beaches, and it's divided by the castle. So when you look at it on the map, it looks like a culo, like a bum, okay? Up there is where all the Brits are, and it's really packed and crowded up here. But as you come quite lower here, it's more of like you get loads of local people here. So is this called Alto, right behind me? Alto and Poniente. Levante and Ponente. Yeah? Right, the next activity. We're gonna get on one of these little boats. Paddle boats with a slide. So now you just push our boats down there. My friend, how much?
Huh?
How much?
25 euros.
25 euros. My friend, you look Moroccan, brother.
Huh?
You look Moroccan.
Yeah, no, Algerian.
Algerian? Okay. Nice to meet you. Okay, let's go. Get in the Lamborghini. Hello.
Yeah?
A bit of leg workout. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for this 95 kilos man sliding down this big slide? Let's go, let's do this. Let me climb up. Let's climb up here. Oh. Wait, hold on. Everything leaning to one side. Everything leaning to one side. Yeah. As you can see, we are in Aqua Natura. Bear in mind, there is two water parks. There's Aqualandia and there's this one as well. So come, follow me. Let me show you something. This is what you probably need to know. So the price is important. 38 for adults, and obviously you can read the rest as well. The good thing is, if you do come to Benidorm, you can book an all-inclusive hotel, which will be included the water park, which is behind me. Oh, let's go. The differences between this water park and Aqualandia, this one is a bit smaller, but also you're gonna have great fun here. So I'm gonna show you all the activities we're gonna do here today. So let's go. Woo! You can't eat packed lunch here. Well, I bought myself some onion rings, and I'm gonna have my packed lunch as well. I'm gonna have my pocadillo, homemade pocadillo with tortilla and an onion rings. Cheers. I'm gonna have to be straight up with you guys and let you know that I have lost most of my footage of this water park. I know! But I'm still gonna give you some information. Like, this place has 10 main water slides, 5 main pool and play areas, and around 4 snack and dining areas. That's good, you know? And to end my evening is with some crepe. Goodbye. Last activity I'll be doing is renting a boat. And we're gonna be having this for the day. We're gonna go just enjoy the scenery. And one thing I would say is we need to bring our packed lunch, bring our snorkels, anything to have that vibe. And we're gonna enjoy with our friends and family. Oh, we put it separate.
Porque eres negro.
No, no es la verdad. No, it's true. No, it's true. I heard you speaking English.
Speaking English, yeah.
Yes, and I was thinking you are separated from them. Okay. No.
She's terrible. Yeah. No, this guy didn't think we was together because she said, "Oh, because you're black."
No, I speak English.
You work here?
Yes, I work with them.
How long? Do you like?
Yes. It's very
Yes. Nice. Right, we're gonna jump in.
Can you take out?
Oh yes. Of course, no problem. Gracias. So as you can see here, you got one of the staff members teaching my fellow friend how to sail. He's quite nervous. His first time. Good boy. Oh, second time. Oh, third time. Okay. So once the guys goes, yeah, I'm gonna tell him to go fast. We'll see what happens. Oh. Well, let's check the gas. Yep, we're full. And there's a petrol station. Something that you guys need to know. In order to sail this boat, you have to do a 2 hours course. And that course that you have there, the certificate you have, will be there for the rest of your life. Right now, we're gonna go to Calpe, which is 20 minutes away. A beautiful place! Oh my days! Oh! So let's go! Let me put my phone away before I lose it. We've reached this place pretty quick. Took us what, 5 minutes? I thought it'd take us more, but it didn't. So there we are, in Calpe. This huge, well, not huge mountain, but mountain is called Pinon de Fash. You can do a hike, which is probably around 3 hours hike, up and down. It's a beautiful one, I'll definitely recommend it, but not in this heat.
Okay, so you have to hold it on the white thing and then let's go.
Like this. Ah. Let go. As simple as it looks, that's how you do it. But I was struggling. I'm meant to get this rope right on this white part here. Well, let's go.
Don't forget to subscribe.
This is definitely a must-do if you're coming to Spain. Definitely try this out. 100% worth it. If you do have a license that's overseas, you can still bring it here, but they'll have to go through the protocols with you. So yeah, probably wondering, how much does it cost? Well, there is all types of boats for all different prices. So it depends on what you want. Prices for everybody. As you can see, everyone's bringing their drinks. It's gonna be a good time. Definitely bring good vibe friends or family. Enjoy yourself. Here's the number. There's the Instagram, their website. After all of the activities, decided to come pay a visit to Dulce Beche. So Dulce Vita. There you go. Oh? There you go. Sweet life, Dulce Vita. So right now I'm having, this is called Parpadelli Pesto. This right here, the cream, and you got the, I'm gonna call it pasta because I don't know what to call it. So this right here. See this? Look at the pesto sauce. Sexy. Sexy, right? Beautiful. Look at that, ready? Oh my god. Oh my goodness, it's fresh as well. It's too hot for my mouth right now, I can taste the flavour. I hope I give you guys some ideas on what to do in Benidorm. So this is my way back to London, and see you guys on the other side.